Good day, everyone. So, this is a random rant, and this is on my excitement on how good it feels to have somebody that has 355,000 subscribers come on a post on my YouTube and actually like a post and comment on a post. So, I'm excited, like, oh my God. Did I look at the name? I said, Tom, thinking like Tom from Facebook. Tom was the first friend that we've ever had on Facebook. I'm like, Tom, I didn't do anything. Why? I told everybody I spammed the DM. So I got kind of blocked on Facebook for doing it a little bit. I'm like, so when I seen the name Tom, I'm like, wait a minute, Tom, what did I do? Really? So when I looked at the person, and I went to their videos. I'm like, oh my God, this ain't that time. I was just so excited. So I started watching some of the videos and I subscribed to that channel. And this guy really help people get subscribers. There's a lot of tips and tools that I'm actually going to start implementing today. So thank you so much. That was just like a really big moment for me. I'm like, really? Wow. So some things really quick that I learned just really quick from what I've seen so far is if you guys really like my content, subscribe, follow my accounts, and most importantly, hit the like button so that I know it's the content that you want, as well as share with your friends. If you think it's something that they can really benefit from or a message that you want to send somebody from something that I've said, share my content. Thank you very much. And you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I just really wanted to share that with you. I was like so excited. So have a wonderful day. Stay safe, stay well, and stay at home during this coronavirus. Thank you.